Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete a chat on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the messenger icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Choose the chat you want to delete. Then long tap on the chat. From the pop-up menu, tap on the delete option. Now, confirm it by tapping on delete. And you will delete a chat on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to delete chats on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.